Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock for your Samsung microwave. First, find the clock or time button on the control panel. Press it once to begin. Next, use the number pad to input the current time, such as 1230 for 12:30. Finally, press the start or clock button again to save your new time setting. This simple process takes less than 30 seconds to complete, ensuring your microwave always displays the correct time. Many Samsung microwaves offer the flexibility to choose between a 12-hour and a 24-hour time format. After you initially press the clock button, pressing it a second time will often cycle through these options. Look for indicators like AM or PM to confirm you are in the 12-hour mode. Simply select the format you prefer, ensuring your microwave displays time in a way that is most convenient for you and your household. Occasionally, you might encounter a small issue when setting your microwave clock. First, always ensure your microwave is securely plugged into a working power outlet. A brief power interruption can sometimes reset the clock, so re-entering the time is often the solution. If you're still having trouble, consult your microwave's user manual for model-specific guidance. Some units might require you to press and hold the clock button for a few seconds to begin the setting process. To ensure your Samsung microwave always displays the correct time, it's a good practice to check it periodically against a reliable time source. Minor power fluctuations can sometimes cause the clock to lose or gain a few minutes over an extended period. Remember to adjust the clock when daylight saving time begins or ends, keeping it perfectly synchronized. An accurate microwave clock is not just convenient, it also assists with precise cooking and helps you stay on schedule throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.